Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. And well, original image is 35mm black and white film. Well, I colorized yesterday. This is the one I just finished up yesterday, and then today this image is gonna be the base image, and also I made this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Now I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive image from these two images. Okay, now change blend mode from, well, this is nice saddle pastel color type image, huh? Overlay, pretty nice, isn't it? Luminosity, I kind of like this color too. So I'm gonna make one layer for this image. Now select multiple 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get this image. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer. We got two images. Now I'm going to change blend mode to color burn. Multiply. Either way, multiply. Fine. Multiply. Merge down to get this image. Now as illustration image, base image for this. Now change. Well, okay. Move this one. Go all the way bottom. Under the original image, color image. Then change this pencil drawing type image, blend mode change to normal. Just for keep now. Turn it off. Then we are looking at colorized image, color image. Then this is the luminosity effect layer. Now from this colorized image, let's see, I can make mask with roughing brush texture, which is pretty interesting image too. Well, let's see. Create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then reveal with that was painting to roughing brush. That's right. This texture is so nice, neat. Well, I'm not going to reveal everything. Then turn on this pencil drawing type image. Well, if I change this blend mode, well, not much big difference. So I'm going to use this now only for this original image. Color wise is nice. Pencil drawing type image, huh? When you see close up, you'll find out this brush texture. Let me see if I add layer. Fill this layer with white. Pixel layer, then create empty mask. Now hide this white layer with roughing brush again. Well, real shadow color, huh? Let's see if I... This one shows luminosity effect layer with the pencil drawing type image. Yeah, goes darker here, right? Well, interesting effect. Then this one is a white layer mask. This is pencil drawing type image. I didn't use this time. Yeah, this is luminosity effect layer image. Colorize this image, turn into luminosity effect layer image. Well, I guess that's it. This is it for today, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. This time, base image is colorized already, and I made luminosity effect layer, mostly this kind of image. Then I made white layer mask with combined to the colorized image. Well, thank you, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and well, try to be some kind of creative image, creative life. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Color-wise, nice, isn't it?